Hello, everybody. My name is Movin Lee, and I'll be presenting my summer co op AI integration in online communities. First and foremost, I'd like to express my gratitude to the research team, especially to Dr. Bui and Dr. Tu for this incredible opportunity. I'm really grateful for this 3 months of learning experience. Now, let's dive deeper into the AI world and how it impacts online communities. So, what is the research area? Since generative AI has been viral since November 2022 when ChatGPT was released, it was all over the headlines, and businesses are racing to estimate its market value. It has truly transformed every part of society. There are prior studies that looked upon its impacts and factors on what caused it to bloom and how it shaped our society to what it is today. But there isn't enough attention given to how generative AI has impacted online communities. In this research, I've conducted data collection on four websites: Stack Overflow, TripAdvisor, Quora, and Reddit on their websites' AI integration attempts, and also created timelines to showcase how these events are added onto the advancements of online communities being investigated. But why are we investigating this? As I previously mentioned, generative AI has impacted our lives in every aspect, but remain understudied when it comes to online communities' impacts. Many of the prior research focus on generative AI in isolated systems, such as chatbot interactions, but they negate human centric communities like Stack Overflow or Reddit on how people interact with each other with common interests and goals. There is also a concern for deaf internet, which is a theory that suggests the majority of the internet is replaced by generative AI, which directly reduces human interaction on the internet. Given that this study is to explore the challenges and opportunities from generative AI on the focused online communities, the research team has considered the following two research questions. What are the effects of generative AI on the growth of online communities, and what are the impacts of generative AI on the user's interactions and content creation in online communities? So, after identifying the objective, how did we go from there? So, for our methodology, we looked into the historical analysis, which helps us to identify web traffic trends and combine it with the AI integration timelines across the four online communities to quantify the generative AI's impact on engagement. We also conduct interviews using the ground theory on for generative AI changes, user behavior, and community engagement. So as you can see, this is the Stack Overflow visit on its website page, and as you can see, its visits are considerably declining over time due to events such as the announcement of AI integration on April 17th of 2023 and the alpha testing of the Overflow AI search on September 13th of the same year. So after a mild rise of user visits when a statewide ban of generative AI is implemented on December 6th of 2022. As for TripAdvisor, since 2019, its visit has shown a steady decline after the site uses machine learning for personalized recommendation on June of the same year. There are also AI product launches, such as the launch of the AI powered travel itinerary generator, which further declines the user visits of the TripAdvisor website. Quora's website has showed different fluctuations, including the increase of visits after the announcement of Quora's first international engineering office in Vancouver on December 4th of 2019. The website then experienced an exponential increase when the AI chatbot app Poe made available seven seven new languages, which causing users to visit this website for more further information. Lastly, the Reddit website has shown a visibly increase in visits with numerous companies' acquisitions, such as Bell and SpikeTrap, to assist running the machine learning experiments and in the attempt to improve its digital advertising strategies, respectively. Reddit also launched the moderation and analytics tools in on March 7th of this year, which is 2025, to attract more users to visit the site, positioning in attempts to position Reddit to better compete in the crowded market. So, what do we find? So, our research has shown AI has both pros and cons for online communities on sites such as Stack Overflow. AI helps people to find answers more faster with smart search and summaries. But this led to fewer comments and discussions as users rely on AI instead of interacting with different people such as experts or numerous educators. On social platforms such as Reddit, AI creates funny memes that bring people together, but also makes users trust content less and talk to other people much less often. While AI makes things more efficient, it is also changing how people connect online, and it's not always for the better. So, looking ahead, we plan to dive deeper on how AI features actually change online communities. First, we will run statistical tests to see exactly how things like website traffic and user time on websites are affected by new upcoming and present AI tools. Second, we will conduct 20 more interviews to check if our preliminary findings are true. And these additional interviews will help us to build a more stronger research model. So these next steps will give us a more clearer picture about AI's real impacts on how we connect and share knowledge online. Thank you very much again for listening, and I hope you have a wonderful day.